Hi guys, I'm Viraj and today we are going to see how to install Anaconda on a Windows 11 machine. Let me open my browser and search for Anaconda download. We can see that first website, which is going to be anaconda.com product distributions. We have to click on this. We can simply click on this download and we can download for Windows, which is going to be Python 3.9, which is going to be 64-bit and the size will be 621 MB. Similarly, we can scroll it down the same page and we can see the installer for other operating system, Mac and Linux. So I'm going to click on a Windows 64-bit graphical installer 621 MB. This will take a couple of minutes as it is a 621 MB. Now we are going to click on this exe. Next, agree all users. Next. So now what we need to do, we need to just click on a next and install. This might take a couple of minutes and we have to wait. So for some system, it might take hours. So what we need to do, once we have installed, we can search for a Jupyter notebook and we can use it. Now the installation is completed for a Jupyter notebook. Let's click on a start menu and search for Jupyter notebook. You can see that Jupyter notebook is there. I'm going to click on this. It will open a terminal or a command prompt, we can say that, and automatically it will redirect to the browser. So this is the home page of a Jupyter notebook. That's it all for this video guys. Let's see you in coming videos.